Let's take a look at the do's and don'ts which you must follow while using the InstaCuppa Automatic Soap Dispenser. Use the hand wash or shampoo or dishwash gel as is without diluting. Gel-based liquids work best with this dispenser, hence it is recommended to use the same for smooth functioning of this device in your home. If the soap liquid is very thick, you can dilute it with 3 parts of soap to 1 part of water. Adding too much water and making the liquid watery will result in malfunctioning of the device. Hence, use the water in the ratio recommended in this video. Mix the water and liquid really well and put it in your dispenser, and you're ready to go. Do not use any type of foam wash in this dispenser. If using hand sanitizers, ensure that you use only gel-based sanitizers in the dispenser. A few splashes of water on the dispenser are fine, however you must not submerge it in water.